Presiden Prabowo Subianto dijadwalkan bertemu Presiden Rusia Vladimir Putin di Saint Petersburg pada Kamis mendatang. Keduanya akan membahas penguatan kerjasama antara Indonesia dan Rusia di sejumlah bidang. Dikutip dari The Straits Times, Menteri Luar Negeri Sugiono menyebut perusahaan nuklir Rusia Rosatom siap membantu Indonesia dalam membangun pembangkit listrik tenaga nuklir. Selain itu, kedua negara juga dapat mengadakan latihan militer bersama. Sugiono menyebut Presiden Prabowo dan Presiden Putin memiliki chemistry. Menurutnya, hal ini semakin memperdalam hubungan mereka menjadi sebuah kemitraan strategis. Senada, Menteri Luar Negeri Rusia Sergei Lavrov juga sepakat bahwa hubungan kerjasama dengan Indonesia harus diperkuat, termasuk di bidang pertahanan, keamanan, angkatan laut hingga perdagangan. Lavrov mengatakan nilai perdagangan antara Indonesia dan Rusia mencapai 4,5 miliar dolar Amerika Serikat atau sekitar 73 triliun rupiah. Indonesia sendiri telah menjadi anggota penuh kelompok BRICS pada awal 2025. Pekan ini Rusia menyelenggarakan forum ekonomi tahunan di Saint Petersburg yang dihadiri oleh para pemimpin asing.
And I think the fact that I come to Russia often, it shows how strategic we Indonesia think about the relations between Indonesia and Russia. And I think in the summer last year, President Putin met with, back then was President-elect Prabowo Subianto here in Kremlin, in Moscow. And I think from that meeting, there is chemistry between both of the leaders that shows that we need to enhance also, increase and strengthen the relationship between both of our countries. And I personally express my gratitude to you for the hospitality for the Indonesian delegation. And I would like also to extend congratulations for the commemoration of the National Day of the Russian Federation on 12 June 2025. And I would like also to highlight the commitment and long-standing relations between Indonesia and Russia. Sorry. As marked that by the commemoration of the 75th anniversary of diplomatic relations, and this is also a momentum to increase and strengthen our relationship into a strategic partnership. And I am also delighted to mention to you, Excellency, that Indonesia and Russia will continue to work closely in areas of mutual interest in economy and security, trade, investment, energy, tourism, science, and also people-to-people relations. And I hope that this meeting will bring a tangible and concrete result.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.